What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Porsche Taycan Turbo S that we have right here in Porsche Arada Damansara. Now the color of this car obviously is white, and this is a very sleek and good looking piece of art to me. Love the Taycan. Whenever it passes by on the road, it does look very wide body, looks very grounded kind of a looking car. Absolutely nice, especially if it's in white. There's a lot of this contrast stuff happening, so which is very cool. So let's start off first with the front of the lights. Now these are the amazing lights that we have right here. Of course, we did turn down later. I can show it to you guys how beautiful they look. Love the grey finishes on the inside right there with some black finishes down here. Love the DRLs that actually light up, so that's kind of cool. Opening right here for air to flow through. Love the line that goes and cuts down like this with some air flowing through over there. Amazing. Matte finish right here, the dark texture like finish, very nice. You get your bumper also having the turn indicators right here as well. So normally you find the turn indicators only at the mirror, but in this case it's over here. The bottom bumper, love the matte finish that we have right here underneath, but the most important thing and gorgeous thing is the carbon fiber that they have for the front lip, for the left and the right. Check out how beautiful it looks, man. You gotta be here to see this. Beautiful. Matte texture like finish on the inside right here. Beautiful for cooling purposes, airflow. Love the amazing matte texture finish for the center. So you got carbon, you got matte. Beautiful. Tow hook goes right there. Number plate is right here. 360 camera parked right down here. Very cool. Love the lines for the matte texture finish right here. Once again, carbon fiber. Beautiful look. Now for the badging at the front, you do get the Porsche black and this silver like finish or greyish finish, gunmetal finish kind of a logo. Very nice indeed. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Let's just take a closer look again. Hopefully it's clear enough for you guys to see. Or one more time again, closer. Can you see that? It was a bit blurry. Amazing layout. Now you do get your hood with these lines that come right down here. Amazing lines that they have from the lights that go right up. If you can see it with the light, hopefully it helps. On this side perhaps. Very nice indeed. So let's take a look at the wheels on this side right here. Now they're using hand-cooked tires for this car, and you do have them with carbon ceramic disc brakes right at the rear. Love the yellow calipers that you have right here. Same color finish with the front badging. Amazing. Matte finish that we have all over the place. Everything that is black is matte. Love the airflow happening all the way on the inside there as well. So that's beautiful. Tire size is 245 40R21. Amazing indeed. Hand-cooked tires, gorgeous finish. Now these ones right here, I'm not so sure if this side right here, they have it over there also. They might have it. You gotta check that again. So they got AC, DC. Very cool indeed. Love the finishing. The swipe functions that the guys have for the side charging. So that's kind of cool. For the openings right here, they got this amazing texture finish. Not really for air to flow through, but it's a very cool opening. Stunning indeed. Love the lines that go across all the way, including the bottom right here. They have some lines popping up. Very nice. Now matte texture like finish for the bottom, but the most gorgeous thing again is the carbon fiber that they have for the side right here all the way to the end. See what I mean? It is so beautiful, man, dude. Beautiful. So the doors, let's take a look. Before that, mirrors. You got your mirrors right here, and you got the black texture like finish for the gloss black. See what I mean? Amazing gloss black finish. Love the gunmetal sort of like finish that goes across the side of the railing. So it's not bright chrome finish, it's more like a nice grey. Let's open this up and take a look once again at the doors. Amazing. So you do get your Porsche wording right here at the floor for the door welcome light. You do get the Taycan Turbo S, once again carbon fiber as well. Porsche wording at the carpet. Love the carbon fiber, as you can see. Amazing. And doors, leather finish all over the place that we have right here. Love the textured finish right here in carbon fiber. Very nice as well. Handle right here to open up the doors. 3 memory seats on this side, unlock and lock. Ambient lighting right there on the inside part. Handle to hold, to pull to close the door, and also here also as well. So it's kind of like compact. Not sure why I can keep right here. You got your window adjustments up and down, your Bose sound system right here, compartment storage down here as well. Beautiful finish of a door, premium. Interior, absolutely nice, man. Damn. Check out the check out the finishing that they have all over the place, man, dude. Wow. So you can actually press to go in. So that's kind of cool, man. Amazing like finish. Now the interior design part is called Race-Tex, okay, with Pepita. Is that what they call it? But lovely fabric like square finishes happening all over the place, man, dude. You get what I mean? With all these lines that are going this way. I'm not sure if the camera can capture, but love the square finishes that come out with it. Love the contrast stitching that they have right here with the leather. Then they got some suede finish on this side, the Alcantara finish on this side. So very cool. So you got this leather finish fabric, very nice indeed. TAYCAN Turbo S wording right there. So let's hop right in. Let's give it a try to feel what is it like. But you have your seat adjustments, electronic adjustable, amazing legroom. Love the screen right here, air vent right here to adjust left and right. But you cannot really adjust it from here. You got to adjust it from the main screen right here. Love the clock that we have right there with the time. Amazing leather dashboard. Love the suede finish, the Alcantara rooftop lining that goes across the whole roof. You got your mirrors right here to adjust. Take a look at yourself if you wish to. Frameless rear view mirror. You have your SOS call button, lighting together with the other lights that we have right here for the doors. Very clean setup for the interior. Screen, compartment storage down here as well. Very nice indeed to keep some stuff. And love the carbon fiber finish on the inside part right here as well. Amazing finish, man, dude. Hopefully the camera can capture it. But this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. One thing that I love the most is the seat belts. Now you get a white car, you get this sort of like greyish or white seat belt, and the seats also are in this texture-like finish, so that's kind of cool. Steering wheel is amazing. You have your TAYCAN wording right here, cup holder right here. Beautiful, man. Love it so much. So yeah, let's get right down and take a look at the rear doors this time around. So let's open up and let's see what the rear door has to offer. So we have the black leather finish happening all over the place. Love the carbon fiber finishing that's here. Do get your handles right here to open up the doors, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door, window adjustments up and down. You got your amazing speakers located, the Bose sound system, compartment storage down there. Love the carbon fiber once again. Check it out, man, dude. Amazing. TAYCAN wording right here, carbon fiber. Let's take a look at the rear. Amazing. Race-Tex is what they call it. Let's jump right in and take a look at the receipts that we have. Very nice hard plastic that we have right here. Beautiful, man, dude. Love the lines. Seatbelt once again for the front is in white. You got this suede finish for the whole roof. Handle right here. Together with the similar seatbelts for the front, you get it for the back. And you do have your amazing cup holders right here, 2 of them. Let's put it back and take a look at the center. You get your climate control adjustments right here. You do have your other so-called storage that you can store some stuff happening down here. Okay, cool. Yeah, nice. Air vent adjustments on this side. Love the view at the center. Beautiful layout, man, dude. Love the car layout. Amazing Alcantara suede finish of a roof. Beautiful. Now let's get right down. You get your air vent adjustments, so-called for cooling purposes for your feet as well. Let's take a look at the rear wheels. You do have your amazing hand-cooked tires that we have right there. The matte finish of a black together with the carbon ceramic disc brakes right at the inside right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Now you do have your PORSCHE wording right here on the calipers, similar towards the front, the yellow one. Right there, carbon ceramic. Hand-cooked tires. Tire size is basically 285 35 R21. Amazing rear wheel. Love how wide the body looks, man, from the back. Even when it passes you by from the front. Looks really cool. Now check out the rear. You do get the amazing PORSCHE wording right here with this greyish finish in the inside part. Looks very robotic, man. Love the texture-like wording right here, Turbo S, because it's similar to its side finishing of the door finish. Do get some black finishes right here. Love the cut right there. Some matte texture like down here also as well. So looks really cool, man, dude. very nice. It goes across, and you do get your carbon fiber finishing on this side, right here together with this side. So I love how it goes across all the way down, cuts all the way behind the number plate and goes right there. Love the matte texture like finishes as well, so it's kind of cool. Let's open up the boot and take a look what's hiding underneath right here. Amazing finish. First aid kit goes right there. I believe this should be a very small compartment storage. Down here, you can keep some stuff also as well. 12 volt socket for you to charge some stuff. Down here, right there. So yeah, very nice indeed. Very cool. Let's close this back. Love how it closes, slow and nice, steady. So once again, for the rear, take a look at the back side from this side. Amazing finish. You can fold down the seats if you wish to. I'm not so sure how much you want to store in a car like this, but let's take a look. Once again, opening right there, very cool. So let's fold this down also as well on this side and take a look. Amazing storage space for you to keep plenty of other stuff that's happening right here for the rear. Beautiful, beautiful finish, man, dude. Amazing. So now let's take a look at the front door for the driver, and you do get the Porsche wording right here once again for the welcome light. You do have your carbon fiber finishing for the inside part right here. Absolutely beautiful, and it's over here as well. Damn, I didn't notice over there also as well. Kind of cool. Very nice. Speaker system, Bose sound system once again. You got your child lock, side mirror adjustments, folding of the mirrors. I mean, window at the back, window for the front, compartment storage down here. Amazing finish for the door. Beautiful. Memory seats, you got 3, unlock lock handle once again. Beautiful. TAYCAN Turbo S carbon fiber, guys. Beautiful finish. Porsche wording right there. The carpet, seat adjustments, electronic adjustable. So let's try and hop right in to see how amazing the interior looks. So this is me sitting comfortably right down here. Spot pedals, accelerator and the brake. Finishing is good. Advent adjustment, start button, other sort of settings that you can adjust because everything here is touch. And your lighting adjustments right here, which we will turn on in a while more. But just check out how gorgeous the steering wheel actually looks. Now to adjust the steering, they're using a manual lever, or not really a manual lever, it's more like a cool. Okay, so it's not really, it's looking like a manual lever, but it's not, it's more like electronically adjustable, so that's kind of nice. I mean, I wasn't expecting that. Cool. Let's move the seats backwards a bit for you guys to see the steering wheel in full. Beautiful texture like finish. Love the badging, man, you can actually feel it, dude. Stuttgart, Germany, love it. Airbag, and of course the finishing right here. Love the space. They can see my hand right through the back. Can you see what I mean? Beautiful. Answering call, rejecting the call. You got your driving mode adjustments right here. Beautiful. Cruise control settings right here at the back. You got your signal together with your parking light. You got your wiper adjustments on this side. It's kind of nice. Love the screen, man. It's like a wide screen that goes across. Not sure what the display could actually show you, but yeah, you do have your other settings right here. Amazing wording right there, kind of cool. Continue as guest. Yeah, so nice indeed. Slow that down if there is anything, but yeah, you do get your other settings that you can choose from. Very straightforward and very simple. Damn, man. Evaluate, total track, best lap. Damn, man. There's a lot of stuff which I am not really familiar with this car when it comes to how the way it performs, but I believe that's a screen as well for you to display some other stuff over there. But nevertheless, you have a very amazing screen that we have on this side with some other settings that you actually can choose. Okay, so I've opened up the front. You can even open up the back, or you can close the back. Okay, for the rear wing. Oh, cool. So never mind. Okay, cool. Let's focus on the other ones. Now AC, you can actually open up for the right side. You can even open up for the left side over here, so that's kind of nice. You can do that all from this screen that we have right here. So battery percentage charging, you can check over this side. I love this screen, is like they have this haptic feedback, so that's kind of nice. Some sort of like, yeah, I believe so, cigarette for you to smoke. Compartment storage down here, we have some stuff. Amazing layout, kind of cool as well. Hazard lights and whatnot. So now let's check out the DRLs for a car like this. Now this is me sitting comfortably right at the front. Of course the seats, I've pulled it way back. I can push it way forward, but it is a very, very sporty looking car, man, dude. Once again, driver's seat with seatbelt like this. Damn cool car, man. My favorite, the seats. Seats are my favorite. Together with the suede finish, the Alcantara suede finish for the steering wheel with the TDC marker in the center. Cool. So let's get right down and check out the DRLs for a car like this, man, dude. First thing you gotta notice is, okay, I've popped the hood at the front, but nevertheless, let's open that up in a one more to show it to you guys. In the meantime, cover photo for the front. Gorgeous finish, man, dude. Love the DRLs that we have right here for the front. Let's see what else is hiding down here for me to actually, cool. Compartment storage down here as well, amazing. You got your warning triangle right there. Windshield washer on this side. This is the lever for you to keep some stuff. Very deep, man. It is quite deep. Amazing layout. Now let's check out the rear on what we actually look at. But dude, with everything opened up, this car is amazing, man. Let's fold this down. Once again, take a look at the gorgeous rear end of this car. Now you do have your brake lights right here. They go across from here all the way to there. Beautiful finish. Get your Turbo S wording on this side right here. Very cool. Amazing. So now let's take a look at the hazard lights. Now some cars, or majority of all the cars, you get the turn indicators here, but in this case it's over here. Beautiful finish. Love the lighting that we have right there. Also the Porsche and HD Matrix, the wording right there. So that's kind of nice when they have all this kind of stuff displayed right there. Beautiful, man. Amazing finish for a car like this, dude. So now let's take a look at the rear and check out the turn indicators located at the bottom on this side right here. See those lights? Beautiful finish. Amazing layout, guys. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Porsche cars, do head down to Arda Mansara, where you can locate this car and many more other gorgeous cars that they have lined up all over the place, even the Cayenne. So they have a beautiful place to configure your car. Tons of stuff that you guys can choose and pick. Amazing section right there at the back for you guys to purchase your merchandise. Amazing. So thank you guys for watching.